Hey guys, what's up? As you could tell by the title above, I'll be unboxing and telling my first impressions about the Sony M4. Let's just get started, shall we? I got a pair of scissors, too, just for the occasion. That was just the one cut I needed. That felt nice. Got them there, and then just take it out. That was smooth. That was a smooth look. Oh, okay, so when we open it, we get a setup. Easy setup manual. Just says to download the app and then just turn on the headphones and connect it. Oh, if you guys were wondering, these are noise cancelling headphones. So, this is nice. Ooh, this is a neat box. This is a nice case. It feels so nice. Oh, it even has, you could put something in the back too if you wanted. Wow. And then, like in the back, there's some warranty. Talks about 360 reality audio. And it just talks, and then there's some paper reference guide about how to use the wireless noise cancelling Sony headphones. So we don't really need that. Let's just open the box. Okay. That's a nice feel. I can't wait. Let's open it up. Let's go to this side. Oh, wow. So, as you can see, you get the headphones. These are actually for when you when you're in the airport, when you're flying, you can just plug it in. And then these are the wires to plug it in. If you can see, look. And you just plug it to these headphones, and then you could just listen to you could watch movies, listen to music on the flight. So that's a pretty nice addition to it. We also have the USB-C cable, so when you could charge the Sonys. And then you get the actual headphones themselves. Let's try it on. Outside. Yeah, these feel nice. Yeah, they fit in my ears. They're really nice. The feel is nice with the cushion pad on the top and the ear cups. It's really nice. So this is a nice headphones. Yeah, and this case is also a nice feel. Has a nice feel to it. You could just take these on the go anywhere. It's nice. The look of these, they're not really different from the M3s, but I'll go over that I'll tell about the differences about the M4 and the M3 in a different video. This is just the impressions and how I look, how I feel about these when I just look at them. And yeah, they feel nice. Just put them into ears. Yeah, I like this. I like this feel. It doesn't. Let's see if it falls off. Sometimes they slip out of the ears. they're not like gripped on. So let's just try that. Yeah, this is amazing. Yeah, I like these. This is like a nice feel. Like the inner cups are actually nice. The outside rims, like the head part, like going around, that's like you don't feel like it's on. Like it's just there. You can't even. Yeah, so like you can't even feel. I don't even feel like they're on. They're like once they just go in the ears, they're like nice. Like you could probably stay for hours with these on. You probably couldn't like have these on for like hours and like not have like your ears hurting. Like sometimes they have some headphones, your ears hurt like that. But these are nice, soft, cushion ear cups. And that, yeah, these are nice. It even has the, if you can tell here, it says M4 and it has the Sony. Oh, this is where you could, this is where you charge. And yeah, this is the speaker. This is where you charge. This is the plug-in for when you want to use it in the flight. The on button. And this custom mode, which I should try. And I should really try these, So when I probably post this video, I probably would have been using this per day. So I'll do a full review later on, and I'll tell you everything that was good and some disadvantages, and I'll talk about those in the next video. So I hope you like it and subscribe. So I really love doing these types of videos, talking about tech. They're like, it's really fun. So I just hope you like this video, and I'll review these in another video, and I'll just see you in the next one.